Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from EMPORIA Smart 6 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of EMPORIA. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on EMPORIA, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!